Welcome to Innovate Now. We'll be talking about digital supply chain transformations. I'm joined by my colleague Suresh, who heads up our enterprise solutions. He has 30 years experience, with 6 of which are with Kagool. Welcome, Suresh.
Hi, Kevin. Pleasure to be here.
So let's dive into a few questions that we have prepared for you, Suresh. So can you provide an overview of Kagool and our role in a typical SAP digital supply chain project?
Sure. Kagool is a niche SI partner operating globally. We have delivery centers in US, Mexico, India, Malaysia, Dubai and UK. So we have different service lines. We have enterprise solutions, which is predominantly SAP and integration. We have modern data platform, which is basically in Azure and data engineering and data science. And we do have application management services as well as data migration services. As part of enterprise solutions, which I'm currently heading, we deliver programs and projects across all the domains, being purchasing, finance, sales, procurement. However, we have done large number of programs in supply chain. So that is where we have gained a lot of niche depth about the domain, about the industry, as well as the implementation of supply chain digital solutions for the customers.
Good. So what trends influence clients to move logistics-related SAP projects to Kagool?
In my experience, we have come across 3 different scenarios. Scenario 1, where customers are insourcing the IT systems related to 3PL operations, although they continue to run the services from 3PL, but they want to bring that IT systems into their own landscape. That is insourcing of 3PL logistics supply chain systems. Second thing is more to do with the trends that COVID has brought, more online sales, more e-commerce fulfillment. So that has accelerated the need for fulfillment centers. So that has need for more efficient supply chain execution systems. Third scenario is where something to do with S4HANA. S4HANA has given embedded warehouse management solution, where a lot of customers who are embracing the S4HANA journey, they're also capitalizing on their investments of S4HANA to also leverage the warehouse management capabilities, which is integral part of their ecosystem, so that no separate investments for the IT landscape is needed. So that has accelerated a lot of uptake in the warehouse management optimization projects as part of the customer journey.
Nice. So what typical challenges do clients face within their supply chain transformations?
There are a number of areas to be looked at by customer, but predominantly what I come across, integration is the biggest challenge, because any large customer operating in number of markets, suppose they're operating in Middle East, they're operating in EMEA, they're operating in Asia Pacific. Within a market, in each country, you'll have the different 3PL operators, different LMD, last mile delivery providers. All this, the supply chain ecosystem needs to be integrated to your own IT system, so customer's IT system. So that integration is key, otherwise you cannot fulfill your on-time delivery, the last mile delivery, the efficiency gain, eliminating the waste of manual input. All in all, integration plays an important role based on my experience.
Good. So can you share a case study of where a client experienced value after partnering with Kagool?
Number of case studies. It all depends on what kind of problem statement we are helping customers. We have helped customers in case of automobile customers, we help them in the manufacturing warehouses, where the line side supply is a key for supplying parts on time in a sequence, kitted parts, sequence parts. So the dynamics are different for manufacturing based warehouse. Whereas aftermarket warehouse, there are challenges related to on-time delivery, promised date to customer. So the speed and accuracy of delivery to customer. So customer is a focal point here. The first use case, your manufacturing line is a focus point. In case of retail industry, again, you're dealing with B2C customers. So you have the high-speed operations, you have fulfillment, last mile delivery. So we have come across different use cases for customers in Europe, in Middle East, and other parts of the world.